what is up, and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be an unboxing of the Airpods 3. So the Airpods 3 released about a week ago at the Apple Unleashed event, and now we have it in our studio here. Before we get into the unboxing, I just want to talk about the pre-order process. So the pre-order process was quite tedious since the pre-order started about 2 days after the US, which is very unlikely, but this time it did happen. So I had to wait about 2 days for the pre-order. But the interesting part was that there wasn't any delay in the order despite having engraving. So that was pretty interesting, because since the first time that I'm seeing this happening. For my AirTag, it took around 2 months since I had an engraving on it, but this was quite fast. Without further ado, let's get started into the unboxing. Here's the AirPods, and I've actually had it delivered to me. So it came in this box. I did not go to the Apple store to pick it up. Let's slice this open. AirPods is quite secure here. Let me take it out. The AirPods is now out of the cardboard box that it came with. First glance at it, this box is actually quite small, smaller compared to the AirPods Pro box. Take a look at this side here. So it says AirPods with MagSafe charging case. Yep. And now at the back here, we don't have a plastic wrap like we have on the previous AirPods, since Apple is now reducing e-waste. We just have these two pull tabs here. Before we open it, let's take a look here. It says designed by Apple. Yep, it's a AirPods with MagSafe charging case. So let's open it. The first pull tab is out. Now onto the next one. Now the pull tabs out of the way, let's open the box and take a look. As usual, Apple's unboxing experience is top notch. Take a look at the documents first. Okay, now let's put this aside. And here we have our AirPods. So like I said, I got it with the engraving. So it has this engraving similar to my AirTags here. So I wanted them to have the same engraving. The engraving on the AirTags is slightly bigger than the engraving on the AirPods. I wish I had this engraving bigger, but we cannot since we have this wireless charging. Let's take our AirPods out first. Put it aside. Let me just take it out. So with the lightning to USB-C, of course everything is now USB-C. I'm not going to open this because I already have a USB-C charger. So I'm just going to put this inside here for now. Now let's take a look at the documents here. So the usual design by Apple in California. You have these AirPods documents here on how to pair it. We don't really need that. Now let's see all those regulatory information. There's the usual documents. Oh yeah, and we don't have any Apple stickers this time around. So you guys can see here, there's no Apple stickers. That's just it. Now let's just move this box out of the way and take a look at the AirPods. Here we have our AirPods here. Let's open this out of the shrink wrap. This is the most satisfying feel I can ever get. So let's just open it. And boom, there we go. Let's open it. There it is. It's out of the shrink wrap now. Engraving is actually embedded into the AirPods, so I don't get any engraving feel here. That's really good. This is actually smaller compared to the AirPods Pro. Got my AirPods Pro case here, and it's actually smaller compared to my AirPods Pro case. You can see here. It's smaller in thickness. It's smaller and it's less thicker too. Open it for the first time ever, and there we go, guys. Okay, so the case is really small and it's really cute. It's thicker compared to the earpods. Of course, it has this stem to change the volume, to pause or play. Let's take them out of the case now. Oh, this case is really small compared to the normal case, so it's really small. So let me just close this and put this aside. Let's take a look at the AirPods now. The AirPods is actually really small. It's smaller compared to the earpods, and of course the AirPods Pro. That's been it for this video, guys. This is just the first impression of the AirPods 3. So if you guys like this video, do remember to click the like button, and do remember to subscribe to our channel. That would be really supportive, and I would really appreciate that a lot. So that's been it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.